Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sip and Savor where we try the cafes which you recommend. And today we are at Taipan, USJ, and we're gonna try this cafe called Little Bird and the Big Bear. All right, let's go. They have a very expensive spread on the menu, but today I feel like having a burger, so wilderness it is. And for the drinks, I'm getting apparently the special butterfly magic, butterfly tea flower with soda and lemon. Look at the drink, it's so pretty. So fun fact, the butterfly pea is actually what makes the color blue, and it's all natural, no coloring at all, except for the orange, but the blue is natural. Right, so we've got it mixed up, so let's see how it tastes like. Mmm, it's so good, so refreshing, not too sweet. 9 out of 10. It's awesome. Burger is here. Right. Thank you, boss. It's a good size of the burger. It's almost like, okay, I expect my face, but like, it's good size. Smashed double patty. Um, let's try the fries first. It's seasoned with a bit of paprika. Have some dip. Mmm, nice and crispy. Well seasoned. Yummy sauce. Mmm, 8 out of 10. Because they use the fries I think is frozen, but not like hand cut fries. But it's well seasoned. It's hot. It's crispy. 8 of 10. Okay, now let's try the burger. Nice fluffy brioche bun. Double patty. Well grilled. Here we go. Take another bite. That's a good burger. Brioche bun is fluffy, it's well toasted. The patty is crispy. It's well cooked. It's not overcooked, right? It has a good sear, good seasoning. The cheese melts. Good flavor from the cheese, and the sauce is nice. 9 out of 10 for sure. That is a good burger. And that was a good burger. One of the best I've tried, honestly. Portion was huge though, and I think I'm too full for some dessert lah. Just kidding. I got chocolate cake. Yeah, boy. Oof, I love chocolate cake, and I always have room for dessert. Mm. Wow. Mm. That's some good cake. I like the layers in the cake. Chocolate is rich. It's not too sweet. It's moist. Oof, that's a good cake. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. All right. So we're done with dinner. It was a good one though. I think overall, I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10. I mean, food was good, place was clean, service was awesome, and the general atmosphere, I mean, the music was all pleasant and nice. So if you're ever in the area, Taipan, USJ. So drop by. Little Bear and Big Bird. Nope. Little Bear, Little Bird, and the Big Bear. All right. Thank you guys. See you next time.